Hello and welcome to HW News. This is the third day of lockdown 4 that will go on till May 31st in the country. We at HW News are bringing you this special video series where we summarize the entire day's coronavirus updates in brief for you. So let us begin with the global coronavirus cases. Now 50,10,113 people across the globe have been infected with coronavirus and more than 3,25,000 people have died across the world. In India, as of now, there are a total of 1,06,750 active cases of coronavirus, whereas 42,298 people have either been cured, discharged or migrated. 3,303 people have died due to coronavirus in India. Now, 688 patients were found in Tamil Nadu today, 500 were found in Delhi, 395 in Gujarat, 338 in Rajasthan, 321 people infected with coronavirus in Uttar Pradesh, 229 people, coronavirus infected people were found in Madhya Pradesh. Now, meanwhile, ICMR has said that till 9 am today, samples of more than 25 lakh people have been examined in India. At the same time, more than 1,08,121 tests were conducted in the last 24 hours. Let us move on to important news of the day. The first important news is related to the domestic air travel. Domestic passenger flights will resume from Monday in a calibrated manner, the government said today. Flights were stopped in late March when the country went into a lockdown to slow the spread of coronavirus. All the airports and air carriers are now being informed to be ready for operations from 25th May. That is what the Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri tweeted today. Now, standard operating procedures for passenger movements are also being separately issued by the ministry. The government as well as airlines have talked about a new normal when the flights start again with fewer passengers in a flight and the middle seat left vacant for social distancing. Earlier, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi had announced a lockdown 4 with incremental easing of restrictions, aviation regulator DGCA had asserted that scheduled commercial passenger flights would stay suspended till May 31st. Let's move on to next news. The Union Health Ministry today said the timely decisions taken by India to deal with the corona infections have helped it. This is why we have 83% fewer deaths than 15 most affected countries in the world. In the whole world, 62 people have been affected by coronavirus per 1 lakh people, whereas 7.9 people have been infected with coronavirus per 1 lakh people in India. The 15 most affected countries in the world have a total population of 142 crore, while India alone has a population of 137 million. That is what Love Agrawal, Joint Secretary of the Health Ministry, said today. Now, despite having such a large population, 34 times more cases and 83 times more deaths in those 15 countries were reported than India. In India, 0.2 people died per 1 lakh population and so far 25,36,156 tests have been conducted in the country. In the last 2 days, he said that India has done more than 1 lakh tests. Currently, 555 labs are active and 164 labs out of them are from the private sector. The ministry also said that the speed of recovery of infected people in India has increased due to the early lockdown. There was 7.1% recovery rate when the lockdown was announced in the country. In the second phase of the lockdown, the recovery rate improved to 11.2%. In the third phase, it increased to 24.3% and now it is close to 39.6%, which is a significant improvement. Let's move on to next news. Researchers are finding evidence that patients who test positive for coronavirus after recovering aren't capable of transmitting the infection and they could have the antibodies that prevent them from falling sick again. The scientists from the Korean Center for Disease Control and Prevention studied 285 COVID-19 survivors who had tested positive for the coronavirus even after their illness had apparently resolved, as indicated by the previous negative test result. The so-called re-positive patients weren't found to have any spread any lingering infection, and virus samples collected from them couldn't be grown in culture, indicating that the patients were shedding non-infectious or dead virus particles. The findings, which were reported late on Monday, are a positive sign for regions looking to open up as more patients recover from pandemic that has sickened at least 4.8 million people, and now the number has increased to 5 million people. The emerging evidence from the South Korea suggests that those who have recovered from COVID-19 present no risk of spreading the coronavirus when physical distancing measures are relaxed. The results mean that health authorities in South Korea will no longer consider people infectious after recovering from the illness. Now, research last month also showed that so-called PCR test for the coronavirus's nucleic acid cannot distinguish between the dead and viable virus particles, potentially giving the wrong impression that someone who has tested positive for the virus remains infectious. Let's move on to last news. In Maharashtra, 2,127 new positive cases were found in the last 24 hours. The total number of infected persons increased to 37,136. 76 people died in 24 hours. There were 43 patients among them from Mumbai. Now, this is the highest single-day death toll in the state. More than 100 corona patients, meanwhile, are missing in Mumbai. BMC administration and the police are now searching for the missing patients. These people are being searched with the help of CCTV footages. The corona test of these patients was done by a company in Bandra. CCTV footages of private labs are now being searched to locate these missing people. Out of the total coronavirus patients missing, 12 were from Vikhroli, 27 from Andheri East and 29 from Dharavi. Now, a total of 800 people have died in Mumbai so far. The number of infected, meanwhile, has reached 22,746. 9,639 people have returned home after recovering, and 1,202 people were discharged on Tuesday alone. Health Minister of the state Rajesh Tope said that total 26,164 active coronavirus patients are in the state at present. That's all for the COVID-19 updates today. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर है।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।